So welcome to the employee portal. This is specific for the login user. Only the login user can see their own details, not of all. So as in my case, I have login as Irfan. So only the details will be shown for the Irfan except the announcement. So announcement will be shown to all the employees. So uh, first of all, I will configure details to uh, about the employee. In my case, is Irfan. Time of schedule and also I will configure for this, and after that we will see here it, the result. So let me go to as a admin. First of all, I have already in the time of module, so you can see here the Irfan is 3 times and actually allocated is 16 hours. 16 hours means 2 days, like 8 plus 8 and 2 days. It's also 4 days and 6. So 6 days is allocated is a time off for the time. And the other three option, if you can see this active warning, announcement and SOP violation. For this, I have done a custom development with a fancy name. Here, all the three menus: violation, active warning, announcement. So, if anything is regarding to the employee, like SOP violation, active warning, so the management will create against the employee, like if I have already done against the Irfan employee, and the same thing is the active warning. One more thing, if the violation is closed, so the status will be changed in the backend. I mean, only the management can close this one. So the next thing is active warning and announcement. So and one more thing is planning. So we will schedule a shift for the employee. So let me check. Yes, I already done for the employee Irfan. So let me go to the portal. First of all, log out me and then sign in. So I will log in as a Irfan, mail and password. So it's just I log in. You can see I am not seeing this cause Irfan is a portal user. So let me check the time of for the Irfan. You can see each and everything related to the Irfan is reflected here, like the total leaves and remaining leaves. Remaining leaves is 6. It means the leave is not used. So as you can see, further detail like the types. Casual leave details is 4, and this is also right, and unused leaves is 0 and 0, and the whole details you can see like this. And further for the let's take quickly schedule, you can see is in the backend we have done 2 times, so here also it takes 2 times. It's just a duplicate the 2 schedules, but is for testing purpose. As you can see on the same day, it's only allocated from 13 to 17, means 4 hours. So the same thing is the second one. And let me check the announcement. It's open and you can see all the details according to the announcement. Just a dummy data for testing purpose, so you can see all the details once the announcement published by the company. So let's check SOP violation. You can see all the details along with the reason. So fine, each and everything, and the status for the SOP. And active warning, also the details are for the fly warning date potential consequences and state. So each and everything reflected only for the current user as Irfan. I hope the whole scenario good. If anything else, let me know. I will further. Thank you.